How to turn on touch screen on HP Envy X360. Follow these instructions. Click the Start button, then type Device Manager and select it from the search results to open the device control panel. In Device Manager, scroll down and expand the option called Human Interface Devices by clicking the small arrow next to it. Look for an option that says HID Compliant Touch Screen. Enter the list of human interface devices shown. Right-click on HID Compliant Touch Screen and select Enable Device from the context menu that appears. If you see Disable Device instead, it means the touch screen is already enabled and functioning properly. Test the screen by touching it. If it responds, then touch input is now active and your device is ready to use. Restart your HP Envy X360 if it still doesn't respond. This can refresh drivers and complete activation of the touch feature. Thank you for watching.